In this video, I'm going to show you how to roll back a bad workflow run in Glide. First, head over to your Glide app. Before we start, I want to show you the structure of my workflow so you can follow the same process. In your case, I have a table that contains all my tasks, and if I go into the Layout section, you can see those same tasks displayed in the app. When I open any specific task, you won't see any button at first, but if I turn off this toggle, you can see there is a delete button attached to a workflow. On the right-hand side of my screen under the Actions section, you can see the workflow structure. If I open this structure, you will be able to see that I have designed it so that when a person clicks the button, it deletes that specific row or task. I'm going to demonstrate the rollback process in my situation, but you can replicate the process in yours too. Now, for example, someone clicked the button by mistake, and a task was deleted. To undo this, click on the Workflows option at the upper side of your screen. From the left-hand menu, select the workflow that was triggered. In my case, it is an untitled workflow. After selecting it, you will see the run history on the right side of your screen. Open the most recent run that you want to roll back. Unfortunately, Glide does not provide a one-click rollback button, but you can manually restore the data using the information shown inside that run. When you open the run, you will see a list of actions that were performed. In my case, the action was delete row. At the end of each action, you will see closed brackets. Click on those brackets to view the data involved in that action. This will show you the table name, the row name or task name, and any other fields such as row ID or additional information that existed in that row before it was deleted. You can take this information and manually recreate the row. Go into the Data section of your Glide app, open the exact table shown inside the workflow data, which in my case is the tasks table, and then fill out all the fields again using the details you found in the workflow run. Once you re-enter this information, your deleted task will reappear, and this is the maximum you can do to roll back any bad workflow run in Glide.